Investing 100k monthly may not look like much today, but invested properly, it might change your financial future tomorrow. Just hold on, let me show you something. So this is a compound interest calculator. Let's assume that every month you are investing 100,000 and let's say interest rate of 12%, and I'm going to do it till my retirement, that is in the next, let's say 30 years. I'll retire in 30 years time, and then every month I'm going to be depositing 100,000 naira. Let's calculate and see. Let's see. Can you see? From my 100k monthly, I am getting 353,091,377. But that is not even the impressive part. Now I have only invested how much now? 36 million naira, and the interest from that investment is over 300 and something million from 100k. I hope I have been able to convince you that even if it's only 100,000 you have, it's enough for you to start your financial journey. Next question will now be, what should I invest in? Money Cheerleader Gotcha. In this video, I'm sharing 5 different amazing investments you can invest with only 100k, even 10,000 naira, all of them day. Let's get into it. But wait, if you're meeting for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian market, and the founder of FinTribe, a women-focused finance platform that is changing the world's game for financial women. In this community, we are all about the money, investing, side hustle, passive income. I know that's the kind of thing you like, so if you have not, hit that subscription button right away. So with 100k every month, you can decide to approach it in 2 ways. Put the 100k, all of it, into one particular investment each month, or you can decide to split it. Maybe I do 50k here, I do 50k here, but don't break it into multiple things. I would recommend 1 or 2 investing, no matter how you want to do it. Here are the 5 different options you can consider. Number 1, FGN savings bond. This one, the minimum amount is 5,000 naira. Right now, you can get as high as 13% on FGN savings bond. If you are new here, we discuss this all the time, but if you are just hearing it for the first time, it's an investment offered by the government, right? They are encouraging us to save, and how it works is that every single month it comes up. The next one is going to be in April, first week of April. And if you're in our World Business Academy, you don't have to worry because you're going to be doing it together when it opens, right? Now, savings bond, the way it works is that when you invest, that particular investment are going to get interest on it, but it is being paid 4 times in a year. That is every quarter. And for the tenor, it's either 2 years or 3 years. So the interest every single year, you will get interest. At the end of the tenor, that is at the end of the 2 or 3 years, you're going to get back your capital. But all this while, you have been enjoying the interest payments from government. You can eat your cake and have it again. So this one is perfect for low risk investors because it's with the government. The risk is very low. But let me be honest with you, if your goal is to like build and grow your portfolio, I don't know if savings bond is the best option unless you have the discipline to be reinvesting the interest from it. Because what might happen, maybe because the money is not too much, maybe because you did only 100k and then the interest on that same 100k, they will divide it into 4 and pay it every quarter. What could happen is that the money may not be much, and because it's small, you may not even remember to go and reinvest it. At the end of the day, you are left with only the 100k you have started with, whereas you have spent all your interest. That's the only thing. But if you don't mind the passive income, some people actually do it because of the passive income. So that's what they used to pay themselves salary. So depending on what you need, that will determine if this investment is going to work for you. Like I said, the next one is coming in April, first week of the month. It comes up every first Monday of the month and runs from Monday to Friday. And yes, in our Wealth Builders Academy, we're going to do it together. Oh, if you have not joined that academy, what are you even waiting for? It's a 3-week online program by FinTribe where we are not just teaching you. Not yes, on YouTube you've already learned most of the things, but in the academy is where we go into execution. The goal of that academy is that you come in and you live as an investor in the company of other amazing money-minded people. If you see the testimonials, the feedbacks from this academy, people are getting paid dividend. People are thinking they don't know how to invest. Now they are being paid by amazing companies. I know that's what you want for yourself. Just comment academy and I'm going to share the link with you to join us before the next cohort closes. And I'm also going to leave the link on the description. Over to the second investment you can do with 100,000 naira. Treasury bills. Treasury bill, you need a minimum of 100,000 to execute it. Just like savings bond is also with the government. But the difference here is now in savings bond is a long-term investment, 2 years, 3 years. Treasury bill is short-term. It has to be less than 1 year. So you can do like 6 months, 3 months and whatnot. So with your 100,000, you can decide that every month I'll just buy a bill, buy a treasury bill, and you can do it on platforms like Afrinvestor 2.0, on Bamboo. Some of these platforms have treasury bill. I think even your bank, some bank processes treasury bills. This is also good for people that want low risk investment. Treasury bill is for you, and I would recommend, because you know in treasury bill you can decide to get your interest up front or at the end of the investment. I would recommend that you leave it, don't take it up front, reinvest it, because even that interest on it will also make interest for you. That is compounding. Right now you can get as high as 15% from treasury bills, right? So you can see it's a little bit higher than savings bond. In this video we have previous video on treasury bill where I share screen and show you just the way we even show you in the academy. So that academy you have to join it. The third investment you can execute with 100,000 is high interest savings account. This is even the easiest one. If you're a beginner to invest in today you can even do that one. This one is just you saving on fintech platforms or saving in any account that is going to pay you decent interest, not the one you put in your bank and then they'll be paying you 2%, 3%. No, they are cheating us. You can't be a member of this our community and you are still dulling. The bank is still cashing up on your money. Not anymore. Financial Jennifer gotcha. Yes. So instead of leaving your money with the bank where it's earning nothing, you can just take it to a higher interest savings account. Now there are so many examples here if you're in Nigeria. There is the Plutus Neo, formerly known as Optimus by Afrinvest. There is I know Bamboo also has, Sycamore has, Piggyverse. All of these are amazing platforms you can use to save and earn interest. And you know you can decide the tenor you want. Do you want 1 year? Do you want 6 months? It's up to you. If you are abroad as well, sorry, they don't pay so much interest on your own over there, but you can't compare naira to dollar now, right? So anywhere you are, there are amazing platforms you can use, but some of us do not know. Now you know. And the truth is that they are very easy to use. I don't know why people feel like these things are hard. It is very easy. Don't worry, we see it now when we start the academy by next week, because in there I used to share my screen. We'll do it together. You click here, go here, navigate here. That is one of the things our people love so much about that academy, because of the hands-on nature of it. So doing it for high interest savings account, any amount you have, even if it's 1,000 naira, so your 100k is even big money. Share, you see, that's it. On number 4 of what you can invest with 100,000 naira is stocks. If you know Financial Jennifer, you know she loves stock. If you're a member of this community, you are probably a stock investor. Now, investing in stock is one of the best things that can happen to your money, because the returns, no limit. You can earn 10%, you can earn 100%, you can earn 400%. One of the companies I think is in NVIDIA. I've done almost 500% on that NVIDIA. Even Nigerian stock, some Nigerian stock. In fact, that is one we spoke about. I think it was on Instagram. You see why you should be following me on Instagram too. So I didn't mention it here. We discussed one of the stocks, NGS. This was last month, and as I did that NGS, the day I shared this, you know, why I want to invest in it, it was like 80 naira. Right now, I think it's like 160 something or 170 something. That means our money has done 100%. But slow down, no. You see, the way your money can double in stock is the way it can also drop. Yes, there is volatility when it comes to stock market. It goes up and down. Now come Binara that are doing this Iran war. US stock has been seeing shege, but Nigerian stock, nothing concern Nigerian stock and war. Like, Nigerian stock have been doing so amazing, but I advise that you have a mix of both. Now, stock investing is for medium to higher risk investors. If you are the type of person that you don't want to hear a story, this one Jennifer is saying price will go up and down, you don't want to hear it, my sister, my brother, please don't go near stock. I beg you, don't go near stock. Don't worry, wait for number 5. That might be a better option for you. So yeah, if you want to invest in stock, decide the one you want to do with your 100,000. There are so many amazing companies here in Nigeria that are going for less than 100 naira. I think, okay, let's say Fidelity Bank is roughly 20 naira. Dangote Sugar, less than 100. So many amazing stocks that are going for less than 100 naira. If it's foreign stock, yes, those ones are in dollar, but we can buy in fractions. Let's say Apple stock that is between, let's say, about 200 and something dollars. Our 100k no reach, but with your 100k, you can buy a fraction of it. So my dear, you don't have an excuse. You not say you don't know how to do it. We have done different videos in this community. I will list some of them in the description description that will show you how. But like I said, those are also the things we share in the academy. Now you say, which company should I invest in? I will advise you start with solid companies. But don't even worry about that one, because in the academy, we are going to give you a list of recommended stocks. Finally, on number 5 of what you can invest 100k is ETFs, exchange traded fund. If you are a beginner in stock market, I think it's better you start with ETFs. Why? Because it has lower risk. Now, what's ETF? It's still stock, but this time around it's a combination of different stocks, like they bring multiple stocks together. I always use VOO, for example. It's a stock, an ETF that invests in the top 500 companies in the US. So if I'm buying VOO, that means I'm getting a portion of all those 500 companies. Yes, it's my 100k and invest in 500 companies. Big ones. So Amazon, Apple, Coca-Cola. Oh, see this testimonial. One of our WBA students, she was like, Coca-Cola paid her dividend and all that. These are the type of testimonials I want to hear from you. These are the things I want to hear from you as a member of this finance community, because we are not here to watch videos and go away. We are here to practice. So anything that is stopping you from investing, please let me know. Ask in the comment section, or do yourself a favor, join the academy. It's only 55,000, only 55,000 for us to guide you. Anyway, let me know in the comment section, which of these investments have you done? Which one do you want to explore next? Which one do you have questions and concerns about? And remember, to join the academy, just comment academy and I'm going to send you the link to join us. Please beware of scammers. I will never ask you to come to WhatsApp or something. Sometimes I see them in the comments, we delete, but don't fault anybody. Just comment academy. I will share the link with you. And then for some of the investments we have mentioned, I have done detailed video on them before. I would also link them on the description. Go and watch them. No more excuses. Comment academy and I will show you the link.